Distance physically, connect virtually. Can you believe how quickly life has changed for all of us? 2 weeks ago, we were working out with our buddies at the gym, going out for drinks after work, standing on the sidelines of our kids' soccer games with other parents. Now, to kick the spread of this virus, we've all got to do social distancing. I read something that caught my attention recently. Whoever wrote it said that we should think of it as physical distancing and not social distancing. The author was pointing out that we were social animals, and in times of crisis, we need each other to survive and stay sane. Instead of hiding in our caves and isolating ourselves, we need to make sure to connect even more. We need to let the people in our lives know that we care about them. We need to share ideas and solutions and share laughs. We are so fortunate in this society and in this day and age. Our technology can keep us connected and even connected face to face. We just need to build in new habits of how we connect with one another and make it a priority. Here are some suggestions. Plan your connecting. We used to be around others all the time in our normal lives of everyday living. This is not happening now, so we need to plan to stay in touch. A friend of mine who works from home now has a new item on her to-do list every single day: call 2 friends. Another friend has set up her mother, who is in a nursing home, with an iPad so they can visit each other twice per day on Skype. A student of mine has set up a daily take a break Zoom call each morning with people from her office at the time they'd normally be having coffee in the break room. I heard of a teenager who uses Zoom to get together with her friends at lunchtime. Recently, I organized an online virtual learning experience for kids who are staying at home. 4 girls are teaching kids online anything from learning, creating, exercising, and more. It's helping the girls, one of which is my daughter, keep busy and be able to give back. And it's also helping them keep the kids busy so they can give parents some time off. Figure technology out. If you go online, you'll find a ton of technologies that can help you connect with other people. Many of them are free. Now it's time to research them and to learn them. Every technology you find will have its own tutorials. And if you're already savvy about these things, now is your time to teach your family members and friends how to use them and how to connect. What else can we do? Connect positively. This series is all about mindset, right? Well, you don't want to infect your mindset with negativity as you're connecting. And of course, you don't want to spread any negativity that you're feeling onto others. Here is another tip. Listen, don't join in. Okay, sometimes we all just need to vent, right? I get that. As a good friend, just listen and let them have their say. You don't need to chime in and agree with them, and you don't need to talk them out of it. You can just offer your hopefully positive perspective, but arguing with them will go nowhere. And if your interactions with that friend or family member are always negative, consider limiting your exposure to them. What else can we do? We can pre-plan topics. This coronavirus thing has become an all-consuming, right? Every news headline, every email notification, it's coronavirus 24/7. So what else can we talk about? How about all the great shows that you're watching or the ones that you've been learning? How about ideas that you've had for keeping your kids happy while they're home from school? How about the great class or book that you found online? There's tons of positive things that we can share. Okay, what else can we do? Let them know you care. We often don't tell the people how much we appreciate them and how much we love them. Some of us are shy, and some people just think it's obvious to the other person. Now is the time to be sincere and to speak from the heart. Stay connected, my friends, and please let me know if you have any other good ideas that I can pass on. I'm here to support you, and because of what's going on right now, we are offering our 3 clients in 30-day challenge. Usually it's $100, it's valued at over $1,000, and we're giving it away for free. No gimmicks, no nothing, it's just simply free. You're gonna be coaching with me over the next 20 days. You're gonna get support and guidance and tools to help you thrive right now and still continue on during this time set. All you need to do is go to KristaMashore.com/challenge. Be sure to do me a favor, like and subscribe and turn on your notifications so you know when more content comes.